What's up everyone, this is Tony with Journey Crypto. In this video, we're going to be going over the crypto market dip we're currently experiencing and Elon Musk announcing that Tesla is now accepting Bitcoin as payment, just massive for the crypto space. They also said they're going to be holding this Bitcoin and not converting it to fiat currency. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, so before we jump into the crypto news and go over why we're experiencing this market dip and why I'm still very bullish for the end of March, I do want to remind you guys my crypto giveaway has 4 days left now, 25 winners of $1,000 of crypto each. Thanks to SparkPoint SRK for sponsoring this contest and giveaway and making this all possible. So I will be announcing some surprise prizes as well in the next couple days here. Very easy to enter. Daily entries at the bottom will increase your odds of winning. So if you guys do want to participate, there will be a link in the video description. Depending how this one goes, I may start doing giveaways regularly. Alright guys, so jumping into the main topic for today, and that's Elon Musk announcing last night at 1 a.m. that Tesla will now be accepting Bitcoin as payment. They also dropped some other very important information here as well. Bitcoin paid to Tesla will be retained as Bitcoin and not converted to fiat currency. This is massive here. It shows a massive vote of confidence from Tesla and Elon Musk that Bitcoin will be going up in the future. If they were not confident in it, they would be instantly converting it to fiat currency and not holding it. So that's a huge piece of information there as well. So MrBeast also replied here, what's even funnier is you can buy a Tesla for less than 1 Bitcoin. Seems like a good deal to me. So MrBeast was a very early investor. I do believe he was investing in Bitcoin and stuff early 2017, which is what helped give him his start on his YouTube channel to be able to fund so many big videos and everything. So something I'd really like to see is MrBeast create a cryptocurrency with the ticker Beast. Something similar to what Terry Crews recently announced, that he launched a social currency on the Ethereum blockchain called Power. So I think a Beast token would be very successful. It would open the door to MrBeast expanding much quicker as well, since I do know he's trying to grow as quick as possible and do a lot of huge things in the world. It would also give a way for people to actually invest in MrBeast, since he doesn't currently have a company stock or anything or way to actually invest in him. So something similar to what Terry Crews is doing. I think a lot of people are going to start doing this. It's a great idea. It's going to help bring mass adoption to crypto as well. So MrBeast has a big background in cryptocurrency already and a good understanding of it. So I definitely think a Beast token is something in the cards. If you guys think this is a good idea, please let MrBeast know. This would definitely be huge for the crypto space if this happened. Alright guys, so with Elon Musk announcing that Tesla is accepting Bitcoin as payment, I'm going to take 1 Bitcoin I bought at $3,000 and I'm going to put it as a down payment for a Tesla Model S, and then I'm going to take a loan out for the other half, and I will be showing you guys the car, and I'm going to be doing something unique with this Tesla as well that I will be doing a video on later on the channel here. So if you guys want to see what I'm going to be doing with this Tesla Model S, definitely subscribe and hit the bell. I'll be keeping you guys updated. I also do regular crypto news, 1 crypto video every single day, and I haven't missed a day this entire year. So I also recommend following me on Twitter at JRNYCrypto. I do regular crypto updates here throughout the day, so if you want to catch breaking news as it happens, I'm always watching the news in the markets and have other people watching for me as well. So if you follow me, you will get notifications and updates throughout the day on important crypto news and other updates. So Elon Musk announcing Tesla accepting Bitcoin as payment shortly before PayPal enables millions of merchants to do the same with the PayPal crypto merchant payments. So yes, I'm still very bullish on cryptocurrencies. Cryptos are about to become so much more accessible throughout 2021 with Visa, PayPal, and MasterCard all adding their services throughout 2021. So much more mass adoption is coming. Institutions are just getting started. So in yesterday's video, I pointed out why I'm buying the Cake token for short term, since Uniswap did announce the launch date for version 3, which is going to end up being in May, and it's not even launching with the layer 2 Ethereum solution that will reduce gas fees. So it won't even launch with the reduced gas fees at first, which was the main thing for me for Uniswap, and the main thing everything is looking forward to. Also, all the fees we end up losing I just posted this. How many times have you been robbed of your gas fee from Uniswap? It's happened to me at least 15 times, probably much more than that, at an average cost of $50 each. That's $750 lost that didn't even go towards buying the coins, and then you have to do it again and pay the gas fee again. So major flaws with Uniswap, and I don't think they're really going to fix all these problems like many people expected, which is why I do think Uni token is down around 11% today. So Cake token, I picked this up yesterday, and I am bullish on this because this is the main competitor right now. Basically, the Binance Smart Chain version of Uniswap, and the Uni token is PancakeSwap and Cake token. So I did only pick up a small bag of this, but it has made a correction recently and it's back on an upward trend. And with this being more bullish now than Uniswap, in my opinion, for the short term at least, I definitely see that having some decent profits by the end of April. So that is a short-term hold for me. We'll see what happens in May if Uniswap actually adds the layer 2 right away and actually reduces those gas fees, because that is a major problem for the platform and the crypto space in general. Pretty much the only way to get a lot of these small cryptocurrencies is through Uniswap, because small cryptocurrencies can't afford the big exchanges because the listing fees are so high on Binance and other top 10 exchanges that no one wants to sign up for the small exchanges they do get on. So really the only place people want to buy it is Uniswap, and then that's preventing them from getting in. So there'd be much more holders for a lot of these small cap hidden gems if it wasn't for these horrible gas fees on the platform. So I was really hoping that would be fixed and that would be launching by the end of March, but unfortunately that is delayed. So Ethereum is supposed to be getting that layer 2 solution by the end of March, but we don't know if that's going to be adopted and actually used. Similarly, we saw with Bitcoin had a layer 2 solution, which was the Lightning Network. There was a lot of hype around that, that it was going to solve all the problems and everything, but I really haven't heard of anyone adopting that and actually using it. So everything in the crypto markets are pretty much in the red today. I will be going over some news on why I think this is happening. I'm still very bullish for the end of March though. I will go over some reasons why for that as well. So Binance BNB is only down 2.4%, and I do believe that was because of word of Uniswap version 3. There's going to be a lot more focus on the Binance Smart Chain again and PancakeSwap, which is why I bought the Cake token, which is basically just the Uni token version for the Binance Smart Chain. And that definitely means BNB is bullish in the short term as well, which is why I think it's not down as much as other top 10 cryptos. So Cardano ADA has something massive coming tomorrow as well, and that's the Cardano 360. Charles Hoskinson did hint that they're dropping something big in this. So if you guys do want to sign up and save your spot, I will put a link to this in the video description. So it's very possible a big announcement or partnership is dropped during this Cardano 360 show. So if you guys want to catch that, definitely sign up and save your spot. So the price of ADA could be surging depending on the scale of this partnership or announcement. So I will be watching this and trying to catch this as soon as it breaks. So Michael Saylor dropped a huge tweet on Bitcoin today as well. Bitcoin is an orange star burning with $1 trillion of energy in cyberspace, making it the most stable monetary body in our economic universe. Very interesting statement there. Michael Saylor has definitely helped the crypto space grow in general. He's one of the key factors. His company continues buying millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, even though they're already up huge. Huge vote of confidence from Michael Saylor next to Elon Musk. Was a huge day. So while we're having this market dip, I do think we're going to be recovering very quickly. So this big news dropped just days before record options expiry, which is why I think we're having this small dip. Bitcoin tackles $56,000 as Tesla Elon candle hits days before record options expiry. So he announced this last night at 1 a.m. and the price of Bitcoin was actually up around 4%. And now it's dipping a little bit, but there should be a lot of buying pressure regardless with this major news. So some people are speculating Elon Musk purposely dropped this information just days before this record options expiry, the largest ever. At $6 billion, the expiry event dwarfs the previous record from January, after which Bitcoin increased by 80% in weeks. So this is a very bullish sign as well after this options expiry, which is why I'm so bullish on the end of March and beginning of April, especially since we have stimulus checks still going out. We also have the possibility of those PayPal crypto merchant payments, which, like I said, just days after Tesla announcing that they're accepting Bitcoin as payment. Imagine how many millions of merchants are going to want to do the same just for the marketing exposure they're going to get out of that. So PayPal is going to open the door to the masses, and the floodgates are going to open, in my opinion. So really looking forward to that. I'm hoping PayPal does not delay that. Because that could cause a temporary market dip as well. They do have to keep investors happy though, and they did announce Q1 for this, and I really don't think this is that big of a deal just to be accepting payment as crypto for 4 different cryptos. So options expiries tend to exert downward pressure on the Bitcoin price, as a surprise uptick would potentially liquidate a large number of bears. Musk is a well-known fan of such moves, so I do believe it's just coincidence they dropped this just days before the options expiries, but it's definitely going to help add some buying pressure to the space while there's increased selling pressure, and that'll definitely help hold the crypto markets up rather than having a bigger 20 to 30% drop before the end of March. So very bullish for the end of March. I definitely think we're going to be getting the next leg up soon, especially if those PayPal crypto merchant payments are dropped. Definitely looking forward to that. And I think that's going to be the biggest thing to happen all of 2021, bigger than Tesla getting in, bigger than MicroStrategy buying Bitcoin, bigger than everything else that's going on, even bigger than Visa and MasterCard offering this, because merchants, millions of merchants are going to be accepting crypto as payment, giving it the most utility that crypto has ever had, and the volume is going to skyrocket unlike anything we've ever seen from this. So other big news in the past 24 hours, Tether market cap surpasses $40 billion, growing 10x over the last 12 months. Massive growth there in how much people are holding in USDT. So Vitalik Buterin, NFTs can be a social good, not just a casino for rich celebrities. So a lot more utility is coming to NFTs, and I think the NFT space is going to continue growing. I don't think it's in a bubble like many people are saying, and if it is, I don't think that bubble is going to pop at least until later in 2022. So Theta's Mainnet 3.0 launch date pushed back to June, which is why Theta is getting somewhat of a dip today. So Theta did just jump into the top 10 leading up to that mainnet. Like I always say, buy the testnets and sell the mainnets. So with the news of that being pushed back, of course, people are selling to jump in and chase other altcoin pumps. So it's still in the top 10 here, but it's down 13%, a little bit more than everything else. So that's about it for today's crypto news and market update. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share the video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. Everything helps the channel grow, and I really do appreciate it. Also, if you guys are new to the crypto space, I highly recommend going through my cryptocurrency guides playlist. There's now 17 videos in here, some great information. I just dropped a video this week about how you can be ahead of the herd, life-changing information in there. So definitely go through this. Even if you aren't new to the crypto space, you can find some great value in here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.